This part is designed to hold the phone in place. Make sure to place it face down, with the nice looking side facing the bottom. Now, attach the hinges just like this. This step can be a bit tricky, so take your time and attach it carefully. I won't fast forward this video, so it's easier for everyone to understand each step. It might feel stiff right after installation, but rotating the hinge few times will usually fix that. Now, take this piece which is used as the base of the phone stand. This step can be also tricky, so take your time. Now, carefully insert this piece. If it feels tight, gently push it from the back using your fingers. For better stability, you can apply glue, except for the moving parts.